Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, in our everyday life, we often face situations where we need to figure out something unknown. For example, imagine you are at a party and you want to divide 12 cupcakes equally among 4 friends. To find out how many cupcakes each friend gets, you can use division. You would divide 12 by 4 and the answer would be 3 cupcakes for each friend. Another example is when you're saving money to buy a new toy. If a toy costs $30 and you have already saved $10, you can subtract 10 from 30 to figure out how much more you need to save. This helps you know how many more dollars you need to save. In math, we use equations to help us solve these types of problems. An equation is like a puzzle where we need to find the unknown number. In this video, we will learn how to solve these equations and make everyday problems easier to solve. We will follow simple steps to figure out the unknown and find the answer. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: understand how to solve simple equations with one unknown value. Practice moving numbers from one side of an equation to the other. Recognize how equations help find unknown values in different real-life situations. Keywords from this lesson are equation, variable, solution, LHS left hand side, RHS right hand side, simple equations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Solving an equation. Solving an equation implies that a value of the variable will be found such that LHS equals to RHS. Such a value of the variable is called solution of the equation. In order to solve an equation, it is important to remember these points. If we add the same number to both sides of a balanced equation, the balance is undisturbed. If we subtract the same number from both sides of a balanced equation, the balance is undisturbed. If we multiply or divide both sides of the equation by the same number, the balance is undisturbed. Thus, if we fail to do the same mathematical operation on both sides of a balanced equation, the balance is disturbed. These conclusions are also valid for equations with variables, as in each equation, a variable represents only a number. Other than these, following tips have to be kept in mind. Whenever we move a number from LHS to RHS or vice versa, the sign of that number will change. For example, if we transpose -5 from LHS to RHS or vice versa, it will become +5. Similarly, if we transpose +5 from LHS to RHS or vice versa, it will become minus 5. If we transpose multiple 5 to the other side, it will become division 5. If we transpose division 5 to other side, it will become multiple 5. Let us see some examples. Example 1. Solve the following equations. X minus 1 equals to 0. Firstly, we will move to the other side. When we will do this, minus 1 will become plus 1. We get x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equals to 1. So the solution to this equation is x equals to 1. Second one, y plus 4 equals to minus 4. Firstly, we will move minus 4 to the other side. When we do this, it will become minus 4. We get y plus 4 equals to minus 4, y equals to minus 4 minus 4, y equals to minus of 4 plus 4, y equals to minus 8. So the solution to this equation is y equals to minus 8. Third one, 3s plus 12. Firstly, we will move plus 12 to the other side. When we do this, it will become minus 12. We get 3s plus 12 equals to 0. 3x equals to minus 12. Now we will take multiple 3 to the other side. It will become division 3. S equals to minus 12 by 3. S equals to minus 4. So the solution to this equation is minus 4. Example 2. Solve the following equations. 2 of x plus 4 equals to 12. Firstly, we will move multiple 2 to the other side. When we do this, it will become division 2. We get 2 of x plus 4 equals to 12. X plus 4 equals to 12 by 2. X plus 4 equals to 6. And now we will move plus 4 to the other side. When we do this, it will become minus 4. X equals to 6 minus 4. X equals to 2. So the solution to this equation is x equals to 2. Second problem. 34 minus 5 of p minus 1 equals to 4. Firstly, we will transpose plus 34. When we do this, it will become minus 34. We get 34 minus 5 of p minus 1 equals to 4. Minus 5 of p minus 1 equals to 4 minus 34. Minus 5 of p minus 1 equals to minus 30. Now when we transpose multiple of minus 5, it will become division of minus 5. P minus 1 equals to minus 30 by minus 5. P minus 1 equals to 6. Now when we transpose minus 1, it will become plus 1. P equals to 6 plus 1. P equals to 7. So the solution to this equation is P equals to 7. Solutions to equations. Just like we move from equations to solution by solving the equation to find the value of the variable, we can move from solution to the equation. A solution in itself is a simplified version of the equation. Hence, it is possible to create an equation from a solution. Importantly, it is possible to create multiple equations from a solution. Example: Construct three equations starting with x equals to 2. Solution. Using the property that a mathematical operation on both sides of an equation leaves the equation undisturbed, we get x equals to 2, which is the first equation. Adding 2 on both sides, we get the second equation. X plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. X plus 2 equals to 4, which is the second equation. Multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 2, we get the third equation. Two of x plus 2 equals to 8, which is the third equation. Subtracting 5 from both sides of the original equation 1. Given, we get the fourth equation. X equals to 2, which is the first equation. X minus 5 equals to 2 minus 5. X minus 5 equals to minus 3, which is the fourth equation. Applications of simple equations to practical situations. Simple equations can be used to solve problems in real life. The method is first to form equations corresponding to such situations and then to solve those equations to give the solution to the problems. Example 1. Maya, Madhura and Mosina are friends studying in the same class. In a class test in geography, Maya got 16 out of 25. Madhura got 20. Their average score was 19. How much did Mosina score? Solution. The value that is not known or has to be found is assigned a variable. So let the marks scored by Mosina is equal to x. Marks scored by Maya is equal to 16. Marks scored by Madhura is equal to 20. Total marks scored by all three is equal to 16 plus 20 plus x equals to 36 plus x. Average marks scored by all three is equal to 19. Average marks equals to total marks by 3. Total marks by 3 equals to 19. Total marks equals to 19 into 3 equals to 57. Total marks scored by all three is equal to 16 plus 20 plus x equals to 36 plus x. 36 plus x equals to 57. Transposing 36 will make it minus 36. X equals to 57 minus 36. X equals to 21. Hence the marks scored by Mosina are 21 out of 25. Example 2. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Solution. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Let the base angles be of x degrees each. Sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees. (40 plus x equals to 180. (40 plus 2x equals to 180. Now, transposing 40 will make it minus 40. 2x equals to 180 minus 40. (2x equals to 140. Now again, transposing multiple 2 will make it divide by 2. X equals to 140 by 2. X equals to 70. Thus, the base angles are of 70 degrees each. Example 3. Dia thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Solution. That the number thought by Dia is equal to k. Adding 19 to this and dividing the sum by 5, she gets 8. K plus 19 by 5 equals to 8. Transposing divide 5 will make it multiple 5. K plus 19 equals to 40. Transposing plus 19 will make it minus 19. K equals to 40 minus 19. K equals to 21. Hence the number thought of by Dia is 21. Example 4. Radha's mother's age is 5 years more than 3 times Shika's age. Find Shika's age if her mother is 44 years old. Solution. Let Shika's age equals to y years. Our mother's age is 3y plus 5, which is 44. Hence, the equation for Shika's age is 3y plus 5 equals to 44. Y plus 5 equals to 44. 3y equals to 44 minus 5 by transposing 5. 3y equals to 39. Y equals to 13 by dividing both sides by 3. Hence, Shika's age is equal to 13 years. Points to remember. When solving equations, you must do the same math operation on both sides to keep the equation balanced. Moving a number from one side to the other changes its sign. Subtracting becomes adding and multiplying becomes dividing. To solve an equation, isolate the variable by using addition, subtraction, multiplication or division on both sides. The solution of an equation is the value of the variable that makes both sides equal. Simple equations can be used in real life, like figuring out someone's age, total cost, or how many items are left. Thanks for watching.